Okay, welcome. We are back. Quick charting session. Uh, gonna just go over basically what we talked about yesterday and what I'm thinking for tomorrow. A little late, but I was busy today, so we are here now. So, at the end of the um, day yesterday, we had talked about how inverse this 1 hour down. Um, and how originally that would have made me be bearish down to these, but then I mentioned how we took these lows already before we ever managed to close below. And because of that reason, I thought that we would probably still get a bullish reaction out of that. No sound. No sound. Sorry, one sec. Someone in my Discord is saying no sound. And microphone. How about now? Okay. Sorry about that. But yeah, at the end of the day yesterday, we were saying how we inversed this 1 hour down, and that would have made me bearish down to these lows, but we took these lows before we inversed. So because of that, I honestly thought we would get a bullish reaction still, which we did. So that didn't mean much. It was a very good gap to use for bias, but we ended up taking all the liquidity before we closed below, so it kind of just ruined it. So we're gonna just look at what we got going on now, since it's a new day, and make up some marks. And we got this big 4 hour down here that price is holding. I think there's a 15-minute gap that I was looking at. So Big Doug said, perfect, having a hard time making sense of where the draw might be now. So here's what I'll say. We have this 15-minute gap here, or here's a 30-minute gap, sorry. That's holding price down. As you can see, we've came into it multiple times, right, and keep rejecting each time. So right now, I'm looking at a lot more buy side liquidity, considering we just came down and wrecked all of this. So our sell side targets kind of got destroyed yesterday. So ideally, if we want to remain bullish, for now, this 1 hour is holding. Sorry, both of these. It's kind of mid. Let me try and find something better than that. Okay, we're gonna mark this. We're gonna mark this 5 minute gap down here because this seems to be. Oh, and mark these equal lows out too if you don't have an indicator for that. I think this is the draw, to be honest. I'm glad I just remembered that. My draw right now, I think, are these equal lows. But as long as we keep bouncing out of this 5 minute gap, then we won't get there. So it's one of those things where we look to the left here, right? Yeah, we do have this 15-minute gap, which is holding price up. But even if we do manage to close below this, would that would that kind of make me think we're bearish to the equal lows? Yeah, but at the same time, we still have this 5 minute gap that's been holding price up a lot. So that'll be my condition for the equal lows being hit, is if we either close below this. I mean, honestly, by the time we're going to close back below this, we'll probably just sweep it before the close. But like, honestly, dream scenario for me right now would be these lows get kept intact overnight. And maybe we kind of do something like this so we have a little bit more LRLR right here. And then maybe we get a manipulation up. You know, tap into this look at this 5 minute BPR. Holy. Tap into this 5 minute BPR, maybe get an SMT, and then get like a V shape down. I would really like that, to be honest. 22,779. Making it protected, then attacking all that buy side. Yeah. So that's why. So part of that is why I'm saying that I would rather us not. Like, dude, I want to get a target to. Oh my god, bro. Ooh, would leave runners for 1,000 points for this LRR. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna relax. But that's why I'm saying that I would rather not take all these highs out. You know, like just take out some of this and then deliver from something right here so that we leave all these highs up here and then dump down, take these equal lows, right? Maybe we put in an SMT here with ES or something. Take these equal lows, deliver out of this 4 hour again, and then get a V shape up. Now that would be. Mwah, mwah, mwah. What do you guys think about that? Dude, I'm in on that. I'm down for either one. Honestly, I really like these equal lows right now as targets. Like, I think these equal lows get wrecked before this buy side. I know, idealistically. Dude, low key. Part of me wants to go out on a limb and say that if we inverse this 15 minute down, that we're gonna go for these equal lows, regardless of that 5 minute or not. Tariff news down to equal lows, then reversal to buy side. Yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely eyeballing the equal lows for sure. Now, are we still higher time frame bullish? Yes. But dude, if we V-shape through this, like we're delivering from this volume imbalance and this 30-minute gap. We V-shape down through this. There's not an SMT, but I mean, I feel like this. I don't know. I really like the equal lows as targets, but we're just so bullish that it's hard to commit to sell side targets right now for some reason. Like literally we could inverse this gap right here and just go up for no reason after that. When we're this bullish, that's literally how it could go down. But yeah, so for the near term right now, I got this 15-minute marked out. I got this 5-minute marked out down here. I can label these if we want. So this 30-minute gap above here, I have marked, and this 15-minute, this 5-minute, and these equal lows. I mean, and other than that, obviously all of this extremely juicy looking trend line liquidity. Oh my gosh, bro. You guys. That looks so good. Oh my god, dude. Man, that looks so good. Honestly, you know what? And I don't know if any of you guys are higher time frame traders or options traders, but dude, if we come down and tap into this 4 hour and get a V shape back up, we might have to run options play at all time highs, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like, dude, once we do come for this LRLR, it's gonna get destroyed. Signal your wifey. Got you. All right, but yeah, that's gonna do it for now. Does anybody have anything that they want to talk about or ask? Dude, yeah, for sure. Dude, I really think that this 15-minute this 15-minute might be the decider right now. I think that this 15-minute might be what comes to the equal lows. It's super duper obvious. I know we've been bouncing out of this 5-minute a lot, but this is, yeah, that's the other thing too, is it's not the right time of day, really, right? So sometimes, sometimes really, really, really A plus setups or really obvious things, if it's not the right time of day, they don't work still. You know? Like time is such an important factor in trading. So keep that in mind. Time of day is very important. Dude, look. You guys, look at all this LRLR, man. I'm telling you. Jeez. Market really wants to rip. Yeah, exactly. Time and IFEGs, man. It's really like. And you don't want to be trading with all these volume imbalances. Although, why did this. Wait. Why was this decent? Chat. Dude, why was this decent? Like, we got the sweep. We got delivery out of the 5-minute. We got this V shape. Yeah, this wasn't bad. Did anybody take that by chance? You did? Yeah, it wasn't bad. I mean, it's a little volume imbalancey, but I mean, it's a little slow going, I will say. But hey, a win's a win. The more you look at the charts and see setups working and drill it into your brain, the better for you anyway, because you just get that recognition. That signature and price recognition is very important. All right, guys. I think that's going to be it. I'm going to stop this recording and call that a charting session. So, later. Unless you got something, Nate. I see you typing, bro. Yes, sir. Savage. All right. Cool. All right. Later, you guys. Nice trade, Jay.